It's in. You're done. Great. So, big thing to check for is if you have customers saying it won't close right there, it's usually because one of those strings is twisted, so it can't get past itself. That's the number one thing we see is a twisted string. So, because this right here, the string that is down here, it's either in the track or it goes into the cassette. The string never moves. But now you can see we put this buildup on here, so from the other side, you can should be able to get the handle still. Otherwise, you'd have to shim it way out here. Because if it closed all the way, the handle will block it from the other side.
So the builder is optional?
Yes.
Right, okay.
We usually just do it on bigger profiles. So now I can get to this handle right here. But if it was back another inch, I wouldn't be able to get to that handle from the outside.
So right here, bottom have to be open like that? Or
That's as far as the string guides go because it hit the jam. Yeah.
It not go the end.
Nope.
Same at the top, right?
Same as top.
Okay.
Yep. And if my springs were uneven, it'd be sitting like off, you know? So you can bring it down and see the reveals nice and even. Or if you used a panel, the reveals should line up nice and even. If it's crooked, your spring tension's off. So pretty simple, not many moving parts to it at all.
Yep. It's good.
Yep. Like I said, all you have to do is specify if they order a window and they're sinking the sill down into their countertops and they want a flush finish, we'll put the same buildup on the bottom so the top of this is finished flush.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Just specify that time of order and we'll throw it on there.